Business managers, social sciences, and life science researchers come across diverse time series data sets. For example, stock prices, market index values, inflation rate, population statistics, birth rates, clinical research data, drug test results, etc. In this video, you are introduced to time series analysis and forecasting. Suppose you are asked to forecast Nasdaq for next week, or sales for next quarter, or inflation for next month. You can answer these questions with the help of time series analysis. Time series analysis is used to discover a pattern or trend in the historical data or time series data and extrapolate the pattern into future. The forecast is based completely on past values of the variable. Two important prominently used time series techniques to analyze univariate quantitative historical data are moving averages and exponential smoothing. A moving average is formed by computing the average of data points over a specified number of periods. For example, 3-day or 5-day moving average if data is daily, 3-month, 6-month for a monthly data. To illustrate how a moving average is used, consider Dow Index data provided in Dow 10 years Excel workbook. This workbook contains monthly close values of Dow Index. On any time series data, first you need to draw a line chart to know the pattern, swings, outliers, or extreme values. To plot the data on chart, select the data and click Insert tab. From Charts, choose Line Chart. Line chart is drawn. Now expand the chart to have clear view of swings. The data points are volatile, which means there is randomness in the data. On this historical monthly data, you want to compute 5-month simple moving average. For this, in cell next to fifth value, that is April 2006, type equals to and type average and select 5 past close values beginning from April 2006 to December 2005 and click enter. A 5-month simple moving average is calculated. Now drag the same formula to remaining months. 5 months moving average is calculated on your time series data. Also compute 7 months moving average as before. To forecast next month Dow close value, drag both 5th and 7th month moving average to next row. Based on this analysis, you would forecast 17,273 using 5-month moving average and 17,218 using 7-month moving average. The moving average method provides an efficient mechanism for obtaining a value for forecasting stationary time series data. Moving average method fails to deal with non-stationarity data. Another drawback of simple moving average is it gives equal weightage to all the data points. This approach fails to reflect the importance of time ordering with respect to observations. To give importance to time ordering, you are suggested to use exponential smoothing method.